On today's video, we are going to be reacting to hybrid dinosaur vocal study. And this is like my first time watching it on YouTube. So let's go. Hybrid dinosaur vocal study. Enjoy. Will do. Spinoraptor. That sounds like a door opening and closing. Creepy. Is that a flute? I think that's a flute. Indoraptor. Oh, that's sicker than the movie Indo. It's a Maip, but Indoraptor. And it's funny that, because Megaraptorids were probably related to Tyrannosaurus, so yeah, it all makes sense. Maybe Megaraptorids are related to Carcharodontosaurus. Sounds like a toilet clogging. And that's actually scary. Sounds like a crocodile. Scorpius Rex? I wish it had lips though, but we can't wish for anything good these days. Sounds like snapping. And biting the teeth. Sounds like a dying polar bear. No, it sounds like a real crocodile. Is my bird getting possessed? Is my bird getting possessed? Oh my god, man. Oh, it's so cute. Will probably stab me with its tail spikes and impale me with its horns and leaving me dead. Beautiful ASMR. Indominus Rex. Whoa, this accurate Indominus Rex looks like a Allosaur or like a Giganotosaurus. Just with bigger hands and features. And I think yeah. And it's holding its wrist in the proper direction. That's so scary. Like, imagine hear that in the alleyway. Going to engine. And this is actually like a part of my fictional dinosaur thing. Hybrid Co. Making accurate dinosaurs from the movies come to real life. Making them look accurate. Like a real animal. Sounds like a emu or like a yos or an ostrich. The feathers come from Velociraptor. The armor comes from Ankylosaurus, and the two Phagomisers come from Stegosaurus. The face comes from Triceratops, and the face comes from T-Rex. I would run away from it, but it'd probably already hear me. That sounds like a Parasaurolophus. Oh, that accurate design looks like the Jurassic Park 3 Ankylodocus. It's a mix between the Jurassic Park Ankylosaurus and the Jurassic World Diplodocus, but it probably killed the Indominus Rex in seconds due to it being accurate. I would. Thanks for watching. So, my thoughts? Pretty good. Pretty good sound effects. I like the Indominus Rex design because it's badass and better than the Jurassic World Indominus Rex 1. Because it's accurate and has the right wrist position. And I hate when stuff pronates its wrists. Sub to Barnow Studios. Please sub to him. Anyways, I'd like to leave a shout out to Shy YT and Flip Flop It. Bye.